Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the Watch Fit 4 and open Huawei Health on your phone. Once connected, allow location and background permissions so maps can sync. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. You will use the phone to download map data. After pairing, tap the watch entry in Health. Then open the Navigation or Maps section to begin the offline download process. This first step ensures the watch can receive and store route tiles and POI data. Once done with permissions, go to the Maps or Navigation pane in Huawei Health and select Offline Maps. You choose the specific region and adjust zoom or area coverage to control file size. Larger areas use more space. Start the download to your phone, then immediately use the device sync command to push those map tiles to the Watch Fit 4. This step copies routing and POI files so the watch can navigate without the phone nearby. Make sure storage is sufficient before syncing. Now use the Watch Fit 4 to open navigation and pick a stored map or waypoint. You can also create a new route on the watch if supported. The watch's GPS will track you using the offline tiles, so you can run or cycle without the phone. If the map doesn't appear, resync from Huawei Health, clear the app cache, or redownload the region. Additionally, make sure the watch firmware is current. These fixes resolve most offline map issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.